Hi Condors! Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be discussing Conestoga's Bring Your Own Device or BYOD program. My brand new laptop for college just came in the mail yesterday, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys and just discuss what the BYOD program is about and how you can find out what device you need for your program. So this is the laptop here. It is by Dell and the computer model number is XPS159570. So this is what the laptop looks like on the inside. The screen is fairly large, much larger than I'm used to, because my program, the accounting degree program at Conestoga, one of the requirements for the BYOD program is a 15-inch screen or greater resolution. This laptop in particular has lots of new technology features that my current laptop doesn't have. For instance, the Touch ID to sign into the laptop, as well as a touch screen, which is going to be very handy in class. Setting this aside for now, Conestoga's Bring Your Own Device program goes hand in hand with Conestoga's commitment to innovative learning. Technology is constantly advancing, especially in the workforce, and as part of Conestoga's motto, what you do here counts out there, and it's only fitting that Conestoga will equip you with the skills that you need to keep up with the ever-changing technology demands. By using technology like a laptop or any device that your program acquires, inside and outside of the classroom, you will be able to gain the skills and knowledge surrounding that type of technology that can be transferred to your future career. So for me, I'm not a huge technology person, nor do I understand a lot of the requirements on that page. So if that's not the case with you, you may have no problem finding a laptop or a device that meets all the requirements perfectly. However, for me, I needed some assistance doing so. So what I did is I went to the Microsoft store, which is located in Toronto, the nearest one to me. However, there is a Best Buy in the city that I live in that also would have worked, or any store near you that sells the type of laptop that you are wishing to purchase. So once I arrived at the Microsoft store, I went on one of the display trial laptops that they had, and I typed in the Conestoga Bring Your Own Device page, and I showed an employee there the list of the minimum requirements for the best model for my program. And of course, unlike me, he could completely understand all the requirements and what they were asking for. So my parents and he showed us various different models that they had around the store that met all the requirements perfectly. Of course, they were all in different price ranges and all had different features like the touch screen and the fingerprint ID that I mentioned earlier. So before college starts this fall, I highly recommend, if you don't understand the requirements completely, stopping into your local Best Buy, Microsoft store, Apple store, Canada Computers, any store that sells the device that your program requires or a device that you wish to purchase for your program. The employees at all of those locations and any others are very helpful and will definitely equip you with the device that you need. So that's all for today, Condors. If you have any questions regarding the BYOD program, feel free to reach out to me or your program coordinator.